Hello and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you the easiest way on how you can fix Google Chrome search engine changing over to Bing. So this can be really annoying as most people just prefer to use Google nowadays. It is really the better option in my opinion and probably yours too. So if it's constantly switching to Bing automatically, that can get really annoying. So I'm going to guide you through all the steps and how we can actually fix this right now. So to start with, you just want to first have Google Chrome open like this, and the first thing to check is basically your extensions. So we can find that here, there's a little puzzle piece in the top right corner. And then once you've clicked on this, we want to click Manage Extensions. Now this will show us every single extension we have. And the reason why I say to check extensions is you want to remove any extensions that you're not familiar with. Basically any that you don't remember downloading and any that look a bit dodgy. So if you have downloaded some sort of extension, it could be messing with Google Chrome and setting Bing to the default browser. So removing any dodgy extensions that you don't really use can really help solve this issue. Now, if that still hasn't solved it, don't worry. There's still a few more steps we can go through to try and fix it. So what we're also going to do is go over to the Google settings. So the way to do that would be to click on these three dots here and then choose settings at the bottom of this drop down. And then from here, we just want to go up to the search bar at the top. So in that search bar, you just want to type security and then make your way down to this security tab here and click on that. Now automatically this will be set to standard protection, but if you want to be safe and make sure nothing dodgy is getting onto your computer, you just want to go ahead and click enhanced protection. This basically makes your Chrome a lot more secure and it makes sure nothing can access it and kind of mess with your settings. So you want to make sure that is enabled. Then after that, we want to go up to the search bar again, and this time we just want to type in restore. And this will basically reset your settings to their original defaults. So go ahead and click on this. It will warn you, it will reset Chrome settings, Chrome shortcuts, it will disable extensions, and it will delete cookies and other temporary site data. So what you want to do is you just want to click reset settings right here. And now hopefully you should be one step closer to making Google Chrome the default search engine. Now the last thing I will recommend is basically downloading a virus scanner. You may already have one downloaded if you have Microsoft Defender. It's built into most Windows PCs. However, you can download other stuff like Malwarebytes. That's what I tend to use and it's really good. You can set it so it constantly just runs scans and checks your device to make sure nothing dodgy is inside of your device and messing with your settings. Now there is one more option here. If all those things didn't work, that would be to go into settings like we were in earlier and this time make your way down to search engine. So you just want to make sure this is set to Google. I think by default it automatically is set to Google, so most people shouldn't have to worry about this bit, but it's worth looking into and it's worth making sure it is set to Google. So if you've done all those steps correctly, you should now successfully have Google as your Google Chrome search engine. If you did find this video helpful, please comment down below to say that it helped you out and like and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you for watching.